here's the quick step to move videos from your or photos from your Insta360 GO 3S action camera to your phone. So you would have to go to the app, and from the app, first thing you need to do is to connect your phone to your camera. As soon as you open the app, you just have to scroll down a little bit and then find that yellow connect button and hit connect, and then it's gonna try to connect to your camera, and then it's gonna ask you to join the network, and you're gonna hit join. So as soon as it's joined the network, you're connected, go to the album, and like this you will see all the videos and photos you've taken using your Insta360 GO 3S. So from there, see, I'm gonna grab the video that I just took, and then all you need to do is click on the video, and on the top it says download. You have to click on the download. So for really long videos, it's gonna take a little bit to download, but that's the yellow on the top right hand corner, and then you're gonna wait. While you're doing it, make sure I see to it that the GO 3S pod is beside the phone, just to make sure that it happens. So here I'm gonna show you again one more time. So pick a video or photo that you wanna go and transfer to your phone. And this process to frees up the space from your camera, of course. So download on the top. I just have that 38-minute video recording. So the longer the video recording, of course, it takes a little bit to download. So again, make sure they are close to each other, just because it disconnects. I've tried that. So you will see percentage of download, of course, and then you will just have to wait until it's 100%. The Insta360 GO 3S pod doesn't have to light up, it just have to be turned on. So from here, as soon as it turns 100%, it's gonna tell you that the video download has been completed. From there, you can go hit the back button and go to that video that you just downloaded, and you want to go right click on the video. So here, right click, and then you should have the option to delete it. Okay, here, right click, there, delete. It's gonna ask you, do you want to delete completely from the camera? So you're gonna want to make sure, delete, and then from there you've already cleared up your space for the Insta360 GO 3S. You can start recording again. You can do the same process as you go, delete, download and delete. That's it.